Hey guys, welcome to Tech Smoothie. Today we are unboxing this absolute stunner, the Eviadon V82 transparent mechanical keyboard, and just look at it, already giving futuristic crystal vibes, and we haven't even opened the box yet. Before we jump in, smash that subscribe button. We're on the road to 10k subs, and with your help we'll get there faster than this keyboard connects with Bluetooth, and it connects pretty fast, guys. Alright, let's get into it. So the packaging is simple, white, clean, minimalistic. I like it very much. Now this keyboard also comes in full size, but today we've got the 82% version with us. On the back of the box it shows off the other variant, the black transparent version. But this one, the crystal transparent, it looks like ice cube, tech fairy kind of aesthetic, and I'm all here for it. Let's crack this beauty open. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. Let's unveil the star of the show. First up, we've got the plastic cover with some instructions and shortcuts. Ooh, it's heavy. Okay, not as heavy as the Ola F75. And if you haven't seen the Ola F75 unboxing, go check it out on our channel. And hello, it's like someone melted a mirror and turned it into a keyboard. We have the USB cable, the keycap puller, and here we get two extra switches. They're completely transparent, guys. It's like crystals. The keycaps are all crystal clear, and the rest of the keyboard, it's all glossy. It's like mirror. Honestly, it looks like the keyboard version of Elsa's Palace from Frozen. At the top, you've got the USB port, which you can use for the charging, and we've got the switch to flip between wired and wireless modes. So with this, let's turn the keyboard on. And wow, guys, look at its RGB. Look at the glow, it's very bright. And of course, because the switches as well as the keycaps are transparent, it's not just lights, guys, it's like it's art. And it should come with a warning, lights this beautiful might distract you from your actual work. Now let's do a quick sound test. Oh yes, sounds like bubble wrap, but creamy, buttery. It makes me want to chew this keyboard. It's the kind of sound that makes you want to type random stuff just for fun. Or if your work requires a lot of writing, you might start liking your work. And there are tons of RGB lighting effects and modes to play around with. It's like having a mini disco right on your desk. Guys, let me know in the comments which color do you think looks the best on this keyboard. And also, if you enjoyed this beautiful sparkly ride, give it a thumbs up, share it with your tech loving or keyboard loving buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos and keyboard unboxings. So until next time, thanks for watching.